Good morning, everyone. Welcome to AginaCraft. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean, protect, and preserve wood. I created this cutting board, and I want to have an oil finish on it. I sanded it up to 180 grits. If you send it more than 180 grit, you're going to pack sawdust in the wood grain, and the oils cannot penetrate it enough. So I only sent it up to 180 grit. That's what I'm saying. For this project, you're gonna need a microfiber towel to remove all the sawdust. I already done that. You're gonna need a piece of paper to apply the material, and you're gonna need some kind of oil finish. Now, I use my own oil finish, AginaCraft Magic Juice, label pending. It's on the way, and I created this mix. It's basically equal parts of tung oil, mineral oil, and the mineral spirit, and orange oil or lemon oil, some citrus oil. And I created this mix for all of my pieces because this is basically contains everything a wood needs. It has mineral oil in it, which will remove all the previous silicone and wax-based like Pronto and all these, what you spray on your, what you can buy in the grocery store and the wood protection stuff. So mineral oil removes that. Tung oil creates a very tough layer on top and inside of the wood. And I use mineral spirit to thin down the tung oil enough so that it can penetrate the wood. The good thing is mineral spirit evaporates. And I have orange lemon oils in it, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties as well. And it's 100% food safe after it dries. Now, I use this on all my products, and one of my customers said that they would like to have some of the oils I use for my products because in 6 months they want to reapply it, or 1 year they want to reapply it. And I was like, yeah, I have this in a 5-liter pickle jar. And she goes, yeah, can you bottle it for me? So thus AginaCraft Magic Juice came to existence. And now I bottle this with every piece I make. Whoever buys some of my wood stuff, they get a little bottle of this as well. I will make it available in the web shop, but first I need to make sure that the technical sheets and safety sheets are in order, and I can export it out of the country because it is a flammable oil anyway. So I get my own Magic Juice, and how I apply it, it's basically very simple. I pour out a little, like so. And if you want, you can wear gloves. I don't like to wear gloves, but I would recommend to wear gloves because it's just cleaner, really. The liquid doesn't have anything toxic in it. So, don't ingest it, but through skin, it's not going to hurt you, not going to burn you, not going to make anything. So you just apply it thick. You want to apply it, you see, like this thick on the wood. And on the other edge as well. Make sure you cover every inch of the board. Like so. End grain. Make sure you rub it in the end grain very well. End grain can soak up a little more oil than you would think. And pour out some for the back. And spread it. I like to go in a circular motion because then I can just work it in the grain. But because this is a very, very thin watery product, not watery but thin product, this will penetrate well. Right. So you just need to spread it out really. Make sure it touches every surface. There you go. Simple as that, really. And as you can see, it's that's how much I applied on it. Now I make sure that I elevate the piece up a little bit so the bottom and the top can dry. There you go. So I just put a couple of pieces of plastic down. Okay, so the whole board thing is elevated a little bit, and the top and the bottom can dry equally. Now I wait about a couple of hours so the spirits can evaporate and the oil can soak in the wood, and I wipe it clean and I reapply the material. And once it dries, it will create a beautiful barrier layer on the wood. And once you applied it like 3 times, repeated it, the process like apply, let it dry, wipe off the excess, apply, let it dry, wipe off the excess, apply, wait, remove the excess, like this. It's going to take about a couple of days to apply with my oil anyway. Then it will have a hard shell of tung oil inside and on the wood. Your oil might be different, so please read the label, how to apply it. But this is basically how I do it. If you don't have a label because you're using your own stuff, make sure you get in the grain, let it dry, let it soak in, remove the excess, and apply it again. So there is a rule how to finish wood. And the rule goes like this, and I learned this from my grandpa. For the first week, you should oil it every day. For the first month, you should oil it every week. And for the first year, you should oil it every month. And after, every decade. And you will have a perfectly preserved wooden surface. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any questions, please sound down in the comments. If you want to support my channel, please do it at buymeacoffee.com, link below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.